everyone, my name is Matan, studying in 4th grade A section. I created my own game project in Scratch application with a magic word to kick on and off. My game hero is a hippo. It will move up and down to eat watermelon in X and Y direction randomly. While hippo ate watermelon, a sound will produce along with score increase. Here the villain is crocodile. If hippo touches the crocodile, it will die. So to kill the crocodiles, I have created a shooting bullets. It is shooting by pressing the space bar key. Okay, let's kick on the game with the magic word. Start. Start.
Game started.
Stop.
Game over.
Start.
Game started.
Stop. Stop.
Game over.
Start.
Game started.
Stop.
Game over.
Thank you. Start. Start.
Game started.
Stop.
Game over.
Thank you.